Well, hello there. My name is Eddie from Edhard. Today I am going to introduce to you our new pressure sensor for our cake decorator. You will learn how to maintain it and how to install it. Let's get started. Okay, what you are looking at in the picture is the pressure sensor, the pressure sensor protective cap, and the pressure sensor cable. I'll be referring to these parts throughout the video, so I thought it would be a good idea to introduce you to them. Let's move on to preparing to install the pressure sensor. So, the first thing you will do is remove the protective cap and put it in a safe place. Inspect the pressure sensor head for any damage and/or debris. If it is dirty, use a damp cloth and gently clean it. Do not use any brushes or sharp objects on the pressure sensor head, because any kind of scratch, dent, or puncture will cause it not to function properly. Now you are going to ensure that the nut on the other end is tight. This should only be hand tightened and never, ever removed. After every use, the pressure sensor assembly should be removed from the elbow and cleaned. We don't want anything to dry up and stick to the sensing membrane. You can run it under water or use a soft, wet, and soapy cloth to clean it. Remember, do not use anything sharp or abrasive on the pressure sensor head. Also, always make sure the nut securing the 4-pin connector is tight. We don't want any product or water getting in there. There is no reason to disassemble the pressure sensor assembly. It is watertight from the factory, but if taken apart and reassembled incorrectly, damage to the sensor could result. Treat that pressure sensor like a delicate flower, and you will be okay. Enough of the lecture. Let's go install the pressure sensor. Remove the cap from the pressure sensor and put it someplace safe. Insert the pressure sensor head side into the pressure sensor elbow at the end of your hose and hand tighten it. Don't forget to use the CCBC technique. Grab the small end of the pressure sensor cord. Take a good look at the pinholes on the plug and line them up with the pins on the end of the pressure sensor. Gently insert the plug onto the pressure sensor pins and push in. Hand tighten the lock nut on the cable to secure the cable to the pressure sensor. Insert the elbow into the pump outlet and secure it with the C-nut. Lastly, grab the other end of the pressure sensor cord and line up the notch of the plug with the notch on the top of the accessory receptacle. Push the plug into the receptacle until you hear a click. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the pressure sensor to your Edhard cake decorator. Now remember, anytime you take the pressure sensor off, clean it, make sure the nut is tight, and put the protective cap on. Before I go, Edhard would love to see your tasty treats you've created using our equipment. So if you post on Instagram, give Edhard Corp a follow and be sure to tag us. Have a great day.